In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable check-ins on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the location settings need to be updated directly from the page, not from your personal profile. After you have switched to your business page, open the page so you are viewing its main dashboard. From there, scroll down until you reach the About section. This area contains the key business details that Facebook uses for your public page information. Inside the About section, look to the left-hand menu and click on Details. This will open the part of your page settings where your business information can be viewed and updated. Take a moment to find the Address section, since this is the setting that affects whether your page can be used as a location for check-ins. When you see the Address section, click the Edit icon next to it. This is usually shown as a small pencil icon. After selecting it, enter your complete business address carefully. Make sure the address is accurate and fully filled out, because Facebook uses this information to identify your business location. Once the address has been entered, click Save to apply the changes. This will update the location details for your Facebook business page. After saving, go back to the About section and confirm that your business address is now visible on the page. Verifying this step helps ensure that the location information was added correctly. If your business location is eligible, visitors will then be able to use your page location for Facebook check-ins. In many cases, this is all that is needed to make the feature available. Keep in mind that Facebook may determine location eligibility based on the type of page, the completeness of the address, and whether the business location can be recognized properly on the platform. The most important part of this process is making sure your address is complete, accurate, and saved in the correct section of your business page. Once that is done, your page has the best chance of supporting check-ins for customers and visitors. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.